In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a HubSpot sales dashboard. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable view of your pipeline and key sales metrics that your team will actually use. First, sign in and head to your HubSpot home. From here, look for the main navigation and open the reporting section, then choose Dashboards. This is your hub for building, organizing, and sharing sales insights in one place. When the dashboard library opens, select the Sales Opportunity Review template. This template is a strong starting point for most sales teams because it focuses on what reps need every day. What's in the pipeline, which deals are stalling, what's closing soon, and where to focus next. It includes practical, pre-built reports you can customize later, so you get value quickly without starting from scratch. After selecting the template, click Next to review the setup. You'll be prompted to set sharing and access. Choose. Allow everyone to view and edit so your reps can use the dashboard right away and collaborate on improvements. If your organization requires stricter controls, you can always tighten permissions later, but starting open helps drive adoption and feedback. Now, click Create Dashboard. HubSpot will build the layout using the template's reports. When it's ready, select Go to your dashboard to open it. You should now see a collection of sales reports arranged in a logical, at-a-glance view. To make the dashboard instantly useful, add quick filters at the top. Common filters include date range, deal owner, team, and pipeline. Filters help you pivot the entire dashboard without editing individual reports, so a manager can review the full team while a rep narrows to their own book of business. Set sensible defaults, like the current quarter, to keep things consistent. If you want to tailor it further, click Add Content. You can insert additional elements to round out the story your dashboard tells. Choose from items such as a new report, an image, or external content. A new report is ideal for KPIs like win rate or forecast by stage. An image can display a playbook graphic or a legend that clarifies how to read a chart. External content can surface a shared document or an embedded resource your reps reference often. That's it. You've created a focused, collaborative sales dashboard. Keep it lightweight, review it in your sales meetings, and prune anything your team doesn't use. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.